Next day I'm leaving, far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing up squeezing. AC cool, said I'm doing up sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing up teasing. More per drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an unful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and come. Don't know if I see the face, I hear the voice, so you don't know a Cogency pon a Cogency Reacts channel, motherfucker. And today, we have K-Trap Manners freestyle. You don't know, from Warm to Mats with Do Road to Manners now that I know say, I can't. I no doubts I go in at this dog. I know it's tough already, dog. I say I'm a Papa Wheelie, dog. If you see that you know the thing already, brother. Well, you don't know. Check out all the link them in the description. Check out the freestyle and the new song. The song in our intro. And in our outro now, basically. In the description. Follow me on Instagram. I could jump in it now. Waste no time.
You never bumped to the gang on the glide. Now we're combining buying. Hand on the throat, sweet paw. Manners a little old lady paws. Manners.
I don't even know what instrument that is. First me I do violin, and then I say, well, and that sound like something where you can play upon the. Yo, hold on the dog. Yo, we don't know that, but that. Woo!
You never bumped to the gang on the glide. Never. Now we're combining buying.
Bumped into gang on the glide, so me they are glide, and my friend them are glide. I would just. We just bump into each other on the up block, fam. Why, oh God, bro, what you do? Yeah, I'm doing what you do, bro.
I couldn't. You never bumped to the gang on the glide. Never. Now we're combining buying. I couldn't rap no lies. I could drive or be in the back with mine. One hand on the thing, I got sweaty palms. Manners, I let the old lady pass.
Oh, manners, I let the old lady pass. Oh, man. Oh, man. Even though he's one down crud, man, still have manners, brother. You know what I mean? Some people don't have manners, dog. Come on.
You never bumped to the gang on the glide. Now we're combining buying. I couldn't rap no lies. I could drive or be in the back of mine. One hand on the thing, I got sweaty palms. Manners, I let the old lady pass. Always have manners. When you talking, always had hammers. Somehow we had to wear jackets. Too much slapping. Man, think you're a yard man. When you link him, bring him a dragon. A young boy, a beer. He's got friends, he's bringing me talent.
Hey, don't know about the dragon already, you know that.
We had to wear jackets. Too much slapping. Man, think you're a yard man. When you link him, bring him a dragon. A young boy, a beer. He's got friends, he's bringing me talent. I see bro with one in his waist, one in hand. Step with a hammer, first time I saw me the running man. Ooh, man.
That thing you not talk about see what they were like.
A young boy, a booter, he's got friends, he's bringing me talent. I see bro with one in his waist, one in hand. Step with a hammer, first time I saw me the running man. Ooh, man.
Oh, see bro, one in his waist and one in hand, two of them, whoa.
A young boy, a booter, he's got friends, he's bringing me talent. I see bro with one in his waist, one in hand. Step with a hammer, first time I saw me the running man. All mad on a 4-door span, I bet he had other plans. Empty the clip, then I got on the phone to Johnny Dang. 100 band for the I could've bought Dio runners. Putting them LV stunners, drill out the flats and sleep in the suburbs. It's quiet.
Oh man, this is
his waist, one in hand. Step with a hammer, first time I saw me the running man. All mad on a 4-door span, I bet he had other plans. Empty the clip, then I got on the phone to Johnny Dang. 100 band for the I could've bought Dio runners. Putting them LV stunners, drill out the flats and sleep in the suburbs. It's quiet. You rap it, I really had bricks in the cupboard. Trappo really had bricks in the cupboard. The pins were feeble, click that, now I got pins and needles. Send that boy to the dock, see him again, it's recall. When we try turn the pack, didn't know.
You're going back. Oh, no.
Chapo really had bricks in the cupboard. The pins were feeble, click that now, I got pins and needles. Send that boy to the dock, see him again, it's recall. When we tried turn that pack, didn't know about Cali with sour diesel. Don't know where it is, but it's sounding lethal. B, you know about the GLE. Me where it is, but it's sounding lethal. B, you know about the GLE.
Sounding lethal, B. Over the GLE.
Don't know where it is, but it's sounding lethal. B, you know about the GLE. Me and Ross got 2 spinners, split 6, it was 3 on 3. It's funny when you do it for the blogs, but end up on BBC. I'm with BMF and P on P. Who don't want Snapchat and I do enjoyment, but they come round recoiling. Grease it, oil it, walk in the dance, go straight to the toilet. Check us live.
Oh, walk in the dance, go straight to the toilet. Oh man, that's too grimy, bro.
BMF and P on P. Who don't want Snapchat and I do enjoyment, but they come round recoiling. Grease it, oil it, walk in the dance, go straight to the toilet. Check us live. Foregone petrified. Hope they don't testify. Loving is brand new buying. Spin it at night like Snoochie Shy. Circle 2-3 times, 4 shot.
Snoochie Shy, the DJ, yeah.
Loving is brand new buying. Spin it at night like Snoochie Shy. Circle 2-3 times, 4 shot bike, smoother drive. Brick on the way to the Uber price. Broken handle, glue that pipe. How we gonna step with a mop? Who's got a guitar case? Let all lock with a boss, you're gonna get.
How we gonna step with a mop? Step with a guitar case. Oh man, it could hold them up, bro.
How we gonna step with a mop? Who's got a guitar case? Let all lock with a boss, you're gonna get rich that way. Bro tryna hold the top, don't hold that blit that way. Doing this D or top, ruin the drip that way.
You never bumped to the gang on a glide. Now we're combining binds. I couldn't rap no lies, I could drive or be in the back with mine. One hand on the throat, sweaty palm. Manners,
Let the old lady pause.
always had manners. We talking, always had
Hammers.
Summer, we had to wear jackets. Too much slapping.
Too much slappings.
Match link your yard, man. When you link it,
Bringing a dragon.
A young boy in Booter, he's got friends, he's bringing me talent.
Bring me Callum. Come on, man. Yeah, dog. Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad I do them reaction here today, brother. Yo. Whew. If you know... No, I'm not going to say that, dog. Because I don't know which order I'm going to upload them. But I do 3 reaction to them, dog. I'm glad I do all 3 of them, brother. Like, K-Trap not disappoint. The Plug they never disappoint. V9 Billy Billions never disappoint, dog. Like, yo. It's a good reaction there, brother. You know? So you don't know, that's K-Trap with manners, dog. Bars, flows, and you know him chat the crowd already, dog. So you know I might think that, dog. You see me? So you don't know. Big up K-Trap with the manners freestyle. Manners, I let the old lady pause. Always have manners. We always had hammers. Always, bro. Don't ever think that. But yo, don't know. Big up K-Trap with the manners freestyle. Don't know. A Cogency on a Cogency Reacts channel. Big up 1008 Music and Ramael Visuals. Cogency on a Cogency Reacts channel. Check out all the link them in the description. You know what I'm saying? Check out the new song them, the freestyle or what. The thing them. Instagram and all that. I don't know. Cogency. And I'm out, motherfucker. Peace.
Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, girl.